Hello, today we are going to do the part 3 of Inside the Atom. In this video, we are going to understand or determine the valency for various elements. But for me to know or to determine the valency, I need to know a few terms which will be reflected today or shown today in the video, and in the next part you will understand how can you determine the valency of the given element. We already know that the electrons are present in different shells, that is K, L, M, N, etc. These electrons present in the outermost shell of the atom are called as the valence electrons. Those electrons which are there in the outermost shell of that particular atom are the valence electrons. These valence electrons are basically responsible to take part in the reactions. So what do you mean by valency? The capacity of an element to combine is called as valency. Alright. How can I determine or find out the valency? By using the electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? It is the distribution of the electrons in the atom in the atomic shells. We all know that there are different shells which are there. The electrons which are distributed in these shells is called as the electronic configuration. Is there a rule to fill up these electrons? Yes, there are two rules. Number 1 is the octet rule and number 2 is the duplet rule. When I am talking about the octet rule, it means for an atom to be stable or non-reactive, there should be at least 8 electrons in the outermost shell. And second is for the duplet rule, for the hydrogen and helium to be stable, there should be at least 2 electrons in the outermost shell. In your worksheet, you all can see that there is atom whose names are written. The number of electrons are written already. What you have to do is distribute these electrons. I have solved many over here. You all have to solve the rest. Let's take the example of nitrogen. There are 7 total electrons. The capacity of the K shell is 2. Therefore, 2 will be filled first. The next is L shell. The capacity of it is 8 maximum. But right now, my two electrons are already used. So, my remaining electrons will move to the next shell. Hence, it is 5. So, my electronic configuration over here will be 2, 5. Next, I am doing the example of zinc. You all can see 30. Capacity of K is 2, already filled. Capacity of L is 8, already filled. Capacity of M is 18, already filled. The remaining 2 are in the N